So here I am sitting at my home far away from college, and now it's almost 2 years since I left Kota. So it all started in December of 2019 when I had to return from Kota to give my practicals and board in my hometown. Technically it's a village. Wait, I had to tell you about Kota, right? So after my class 10th exam, I went to Kota to prepare for IIT JEE, जो कि ज़्यादातर एस्पिरेंट करते हैं. So Kota कहानी किसी और वीडियो में करेंगे. So I came home in December और जनवरी को मेरा पहला JEE मेंस का पेपर था. So I went to Siliguri to give it and I got 99.30 percentile. I was happy that I cracked JEE mains, but my main focus was JEE Advanced. So I started preparing for it. But उसके एक महीने बाद ही WBJEE का पेपर था. If you don't know WBJEE stands for West Bengal JEE. It's similar to JEE mains. और इससे टेक्निकली जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी मिलता है. That's a very good university to study in. It's a Tier 1 college. और मुझे हमेशा ही से पता था मुझे यहाँ पर CSE मिल जाएगा. Not हमेशा से. When I started preparing for JEE. So after 1 month of preparation, just mock test, I gave WBJEE and I got a rank of 398. At least I got rank under 500 in WBJEE. I was happy that I would be getting CSE here. अब बाकी था board exam. और मैंने कुछ एग्जाम्स दिए. उसके बाद you know what happened?
घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है.
My exam postponed first and then eventually got cancelled. 2 exam cancelled हुए से. I gave almost all. I was happy that my board exam got cancelled, but I was sad too because of JEE. अगर वो cancel हो गया, that's a problem. So JEE postponed for a month, then again a month, then again a month, then again a month.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So JEE postponed होते रहा. And धीरे धीरे I lost my confidence, I lost my motivation to prepare for JEE, and I lost my practice. कभी कभी सोचता हूँ कि अगर ये कोविड ना हुआ हो, I would be studying in a very good IIT with a very good branch. But इसमें मेरी ही गलती थी because I stopped putting enough effort, I stopped putting enough practice. And I lost my confidence eventually, जो कि result में पता चल गया. So 27 September 2020, JEE Advanced happened, and after some time result came out and I got a border rank to getting some IITs. उसका जोसा काउंसलिंग के लिए मैंने मजाक में ही अप्लाई कर दिया. Then I got IIT Mandi, some lower branch. Or with my JEE mains rank, I was getting NIT Trichy, some core branch, and some top NIT, decent electronics types branch. And I was getting CSE in NIT Durgapur, ISTC Pur, that's in West Bengal. But despite getting into some new IITs or all NITs, I chose a state university. So here is why. After giving my JEE, I eventually realized that it's your rank that decides your branch. It's not you. It's a very powerful statement if you understand it. So I asked myself some fundamental questions. Why IITs are so famous? Why everybody wants to go to IITs? Why this much hype? And the answer to that is the 1 crore package that you see all over the media. And the reality is those offers are international offers and only some students get those offers. और तुम्हें पता ही होगा the cost of living is also high in those high purchasing power countries. So is the package. And the next reason is the peer group that you get. This is a real reason that you should aim for IIT because you really get a very refined peer group. All smart people from all over India come to a single place to study. That's a very amazing thing to have, and you learn most of your things from your friend, from your peer group, and having a nice peer group is like having a superpower. I understood what I was looking for and I chose Jadavpur University Computer Science Department because it has the best peer group from all over the state. Most of the students here left lower branches in old IITs to study CSE here. Also the average CSE package here is 20 lakhs per annum and highest went down to I guess 65 lakhs per annum. That's a very good average for any college. And its fees is just 200 rupees per month. Yes, you heard it correct. Just 200 rupees per month, around 11,000 rupees, and your 4-year degree would be completed. So I am studying here for free. Also the JU tag is quite significant in West Bengal. बाहर के स्टेट में बहुत ही कम लोग जानते हैं जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में. Yeah, this is my JEE story. Did I fail to get into IITs? Technically yes, but no, I was getting some IIT, but I chose what I wanted beside what I was getting. My message to those people who didn't get into IITs is that first understand your future goals, and then you will realize that IITs are very small part of it. Nahi nikla, move on, because life is too big and you will get many opportunities ahead of you. Also my final aim is to become an IAS officer. इसके बाद किसी और वीडियो में करेंगे. तब तक के लिए